Hi, third grade. So today you're going to write a writing piece on this Google Doc, and your topic is going to be the best part of your long weekend. So we just had our Labor Day weekend, and it was a 4-day weekend. And what I want you to do is think about the best part of it. So like your favorite part, the part that you like the best about the weekend. And that's what you're going to focus on and write about. And remember that you're going to want to add details so that you can let your reader know what your weekend was like that part, just that best part. You're not going to tell me about the whole weekend. So you don't want to say, well, on Friday I did this, and then on Saturday I did this, and Sunday. Nope, pick one part to focus in, okay? Really think about those details. Okay, so I started kind of writing some directions for you because the other part that you need to do is underline some verbs, and then I want you to highlight some nouns. Okay, so I'll make sure that I will put those in the directions, but you're going to highlight some nouns and underline your verbs. And I think we'll pick a couple of each, but I wanted to make sure that you knew how to do that because maybe you haven't ever underlined or highlighted any words in a Google Doc before. So if this was your writing piece right here, so this is the place where you're going to write about your long weekend. You're going to think about the best part of the whole weekend and tell me all about it. Remember that you should only tell about the best part, not the whole weekend. Add enough details to let your readers know what it was like. Okay, so right now, okay, this is the place. Okay, place, well, that's a person, place, or thing, so that's a noun. And we said we're going to highlight our nouns. So if you take your cursor and you go up to this little marker right here, all of a sudden it'll say highlight color. And if you click on that, I will let you choose whatever highlight color you want. I'm going to pick yellow. And so right now I can just go right here and pick, click on highlight my color, and then it'll be yellow. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay, so let's see, you're going to write about your long weekend. Okay, weekend. So if I put my cursor right in front of weekend and I push down and I drag it all the way across, so the whole word turns blue. And then I go back up to my highlighter and I click it and I still like yellow. There it is. Okay, you are going to think about the best part. Okay, part. Again, I'm putting my cursor right in front of the P. See, now it's flashing. It's ready to go. I put it there. I hold down my mouse and I drag it across and I let go. Then I slide up to my highlight color, push it, and then I pick my color. And you can pick any color you want. Well, don't pick black because then I won't be able to read your words. But pick a lighter color. So I'll pick yellow. Okay? Details. Ooh, that's a noun. Details. People, places, things. I'm going to go to my highlight color. I choose yellow. There we go. All right. So now we're going to do the same kind of idea, but now this time we're going to underline your verbs. Okay. Let's see. Let's find some verbs. We'll start here at the bottom right here. Tell. Tell, that's an action. I'm going to actually do something, so I'm going to tell. So again, we're going to highlight this part, and it'll be blue, because that means it's waiting for you to do something to it. So you're going to go all the way up here to this U with the underline, and it'll tell you as soon as you touch it. It'll say, oh, do you want me to underline? And then you click it, and now you can see that tell is underlined. Okay. Think. Ooh, think is a verb. We think. Up here to underline. Now think. How about write? Write is a verb. So we'll underline that one. Okay? So remember, highlight your word, or choose your word first. Then go up to the top. Are you going to highlight it for a noun or underline it for a verb. Okay? If you have any questions on how to do that, feel free to send us an email. Okay? All right.